Indonesia, a sprawling archipelago in Southeast Asia, is a nation of stunning diversity. With over 17,000 islands, it is the world's largest island country, home to rich cultures, vibrant traditions, and breathtaking landscape. Indonesia stretches over 5,000 kilometers from west to east, straddling the equator. Its islands vary from the large, bustling Java, the dense rainforest of Borneo, the tranquil beaches of Bali, to the rugged mountains of Papua. Indonesia's history is as diverse as its geography. We have over 1,000 tribes across the island, according to SB 2010. The ancient temple of Borobudur and Prambanan stand as a testament to the country's rich cultural and religious history. Music and dance play a vital role in Indonesian cultures. The haunting sounds of the gamelan orchestra and the intricate movement of traditional dance performance tell stories of the past and the gods. Today, Indonesia is a thriving nation with a growing economy. Jakarta, the capital city, is a bustling metropolis that embodies the country's rapid development and urbanization. Indonesia's youthful population is driving innovation and progress. With a focus on education and technology, the country is making strides in various fields, from digital startups to environmental conservation. In the heart of this dynamic nation lies a beacon of education and research, and the number one top university in Indonesia, which is UI, the University of Indonesia. The University of Indonesia is the oldest tertiary level education institution in Indonesia. It has grown into a leading institution for higher learning and research. With a sprawling campus located in Depok, West Java, UI is renowned for its international collaborations, drawing students and research from around the world. Beyond academics, the University of Indonesia fosters a vibrant student life with numerous organizations, cultural events, and sport activities. It is a place where students can grow not only academically but also personally and socially. At the University of Indonesia, a bowl of cultures and backgrounds, students from across Indonesia come together to pursue their academic dreams at the top university. Despite this rich diversity, many young people are gradually losing touch with their cultural roots and native languages. In an effort to reconnect with these fading traditions, where the students from the Faculty of Economic and Business are embarking on a heartfelt project, we will interview our friends to uncover on how much they know about their own heritage and languages, aiming to reignite a sense of pride and awareness of the rich cultural diversity that defines Indonesia.
Sih kalau nggak salah 37 ya, nilai
38 gitu.
Iya 37 38 lah ya, tapi gue lebih pada 37.
Sepengetahuan gue kalau nggak salah ya, tahu gue 34 gitu, tapi kan sekarang bisa berubah. Nah ya mungkin Papua, ada yang bilang Papua, ada yang bilang enggak, ya bisa berubah lah.
I think Indonesia have like 32 provinces.
There are about 38 provinces in Indonesia.
Aduh. As far as I know, there's a lot more provinces now because of Papua dispersing into different provinces. Last time I checked, it's 34, but okay, there's 37 maybe? No, 30, 39 maybe. I don't know. It's between 37 or 39 maybe.
As far as I remember, there are over 1,200 ethnic groups in Indonesia.
There's a lot, but
There's too much.
yeah.
Batak, like Java, Sunda. Terus
Yeah,
Papua
more. A lot of
Padang,
it.
Padang. Padang.
I can't pinpoint the exact number, approximate, tapi kayak
there is a lot, and there's like probably 1,000 ini sekitar 10 lah yang aku tahu. Oke.
A lot, memang a lot. It's not 100, maybe the thousands. No wait, no, that's languages. Maybe it's like 500, 400, 300, maybe. Yeah. Not the major ones, the small ones too. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we love everything, even the small ones.
Terus kalau buat etnis, we're the second largest ethnic group in the world. Jadi kayak a lot of ethnicities di negara kita, kalau nggak salah 420-an. Sekitar ya. Kurang lebih.
Selama hidup saya di Jakarta, saya lahir di Jakarta juga. Tapi I feel like I am a Jawa person. Jawa.
Born and raised in Jakarta, but I'm not really Betawi. I'm technically Javanese.
Kalau gue dari Padang.
Kalau gue karena gue di Medan, jadi gue ngambil Melayunya gue dah. Melayu.
I'm from the largest ethnic groups, which is Javanese, specifically from Yogyakarta, Semarang, and Solo.
Dari suku gue kan kita Bandung tuh dikenal sebagai orang-orang Sunda ya.
My mom is from like Semarang and my dad is from like Purworejo.
So your family is from Java, ethnically?
Yes, they're both from Java. The others probably like Dawet Ireng, Kue Lompong, Geblek.
Okay.
It's probably the three I really know.
Which one's your favorite food?
It's probably gotta be Dawet. It's
Dawet.
sweet.
Yeah. I love that too.
Sebagai orang-orang Sunda ya, dan kita mempunyai banyak tradisi. Yang pertama, kita tuh kalau ngobrol pasti halus dan ya nggak kasar-kasar amat kayak dibanding kota-kota lain lah. Dan kita mempunyai tradisi di mana itu ngeliwet berarti kita kayak bancakan gitu, rame-ramean, dan kita ngeliwet nasi dan makan bareng. Itu merupakan tradisi dari kita sih.
Javanese, it's not all Javanese. You speak to Javanese and a Maduranese, we wouldn't be technically on and on with each other, so there's dialects. Weird thing is, I have little Javanese, not that much of Javanese.
Alright, iso ngomong Jawa.
Mereka adalah orang yang tekun dalam apa yang mereka lakukan, dan biasanya kalau melakukan sesuatu hal yang serius ya udah gitu aja sih.
Pekerja keras gitu.
Ya, pekerja keras.
Oke, cool.
Rendang.
Kalau makanan kita namanya nasi gurih.
That aku keturunannya English. That I am a descendant of Pangeran Diponegoro.
Hey, yo!
Yeah, for real.
Yo!
Okay, let me open this. Of course, from Pangeran Diponegoro. Each time we celebrate or pulang kampung, we go home to our villages. We celebrate our heritage by going to one of our ancestors' graves.
Pokoknya adatnya berdasarkan agama Islam gitu. Ya. Kalau dari Padang tuh biasanya ya dari agama Islam aja gitu culture-nya.
Kemelayuan itu ada 3 asas, direpresentasikan sama 3 warna: merah, kuning, sama hijau. Jadi kalau buat merah itu namanya respect. Kalau kuning itu fealty to the sultan. Jadi setiap tanah Melayu itu ada sultannya masing-masing dan kita harus hormat sama dia. Terus buat hijau itu ya loyalty to Islam. Jadi kalau misalnya di suku Melayu, kalau misalnya lu keluar dari agama Islam, lu bukan cuma keluar dari agama tapi dari sukunya juga.
One of the traditions my family always do is that we would always go back to Java once in 5 years to celebrate this tradition, and then we would also have a family gathering every year.
They speak Japanese in
our
when
household.
they talk to each other.
Yeah. No. Unfortunately, They use it, but I can't really understand it unfortunately. But my brother can, so.
Keluarga saya kayak kalau menjalani hari-hari itu kita punya kayak rule-nya sendiri dan we must follow these rules to get ahead to like apa namanya untuk menjalani hari-hari biar kayak ya biar aman dan tentram aja ya guys. Ini gitu.
Berarti lu sendiri ngerayain lewat itu?
Wah sering kalau liburan, apalagi kalau liburan sekolah nih balik ke keluarga kan gua ngerantau ya nggak kos di sini pasti ngelewat.
Oke. Kalau cerita-cerita yang sering terdengar sama orang-orang dari kita kecil ya itu Malin Kundang tuh anak yang durhaka sama ibunya, terus dia tuh dikutuk gitu, dia jadi batu.
Kalau Melayu tuh ada nama kayak kisah namanya kayak Hang Tuah sama Hang Jebat. Hang Tuah. Jadi itu kayak cerita about suatu orang yang dia menunjukkan asas kemelayuan sama ngelawan orang yang lebih I guess you can say lebih revolusioner lah bahasanya.
Wah kalau itu mungkin gue kurang ngedalamin ya. Tapi satu hal yang gue ketahui dulu tuh kalau nggak salah Bandung tuh jadi tempat singgah berperangan antara Belanda.
Oh iya, Lautan Api ya.
Iya benar. Jadi mereka singgah di Bandung. Itu nggak tahu ya udah disebut kota Bandung atau belum. Tapi jadi tempat istirahat saat berperang. Kalau gitu-gitu sih nggak banget, tapi kayak I know that orang Jawa suka yang kayak they like something like yang angker-angker gitu. Yang angker-angker.
Amin.
Ya, they like spooky stuff.
I know most of it, but I can't really talk about it because it's a private matter.
I have no idea some of them.
Have you ever heard of any?
Heard, but cannot recall. Sorry.
Unfortunately, no, because like from my experience, from my 18 years of living, I have never heard any stories or myth like some sort of that.
Kalau yang banyak orang bilang tuh kayak misalnya orang Padang tuh keras gitu, cuma sebenarnya emang bukan mereka keras karena mereka jahat gitu loh, kasar ke orang, tapi emang bisa jadi itu cara mereka tuh ya cara normal mereka menyampaikan gitu loh.
Kalau gua orang Melayu itu pemalas. Jadi kalau orang Melayu tuh tipikalnya laki-lakinya pemalas, cuman tukang suruh doang. Itu sebenarnya enggak ya guys ya. Padahal wah gua rajin banget ya, gila. Terus enggak sih, gue demot sih jujur. Tapi kalau selain itu sama sih, kita juga pedagang juga sih. Kan kita Melayu sama Minang nih serumpun.
I think Japanese people are probably friendly, and another one that I heard is that people from Yogyakarta are stingy, and it's a bad stereotype.
Mungkin kurang respect towards others atau kayak kurang ada attitude-nya gitu, tapi kayak sebenarnya mereka ya baik-baik aja. Gitu.
Kayak attitude-nya kurang gitu.
Iya. Tadi yang gue sebut halus pertama ngomong, dan kita nada bicaranya lah dengan agak ada ayunan-ayunan itu, pasti ngerti kan?
Oh, nada-nada.
Ya, nada ayunan kayak maneh kunaon gitu.
Oh, oke, boleh.
Java is like very much helping. I don't know what the English term is. Like if it's going to Indonesia.
Kind ya, murah senyum.
Yeah, like we like to help, smile more, like that.
Is that hard?
A lot pasti. A lot like being silent, being very, especially if you go to Yogyakarta or anywhere else to the royalty areas lah. Very descriptive somehow.
Descriptive?
Yeah, you just say, "Sir, where's the toilet?" Oh yeah, you go right, left. But if you see that sign over there, do not go there. And you go to that sign, you go after it, and you go after it, and they'll yap over and
yapping.
Yeah, yapping.
maybe like Mongo.
Oh ya.
It's like excuse me in Japanese.
Wong saya ini loh, gitu. saya tidak tahu apa namanya ya bahasa Jawa gitu. Jadi aing rek ke pasar, misal rek itu mau, jadi aku mau ke pasar.
Yang paling sering sebut tuh onde mande. Tamboci, Bang.
Tamboci sikol. Kalau gua Melayu Medan sih, jadi ya bahasa Medan apa agak lain, terus cemana kau? Kalau misalnya mobil motor, kalau motor tuh kereta.
Oh, ini motor Honda.
Terus kalau kereta api, kalau pesawat kapal terbang.
Enggak.
Engge.
Tunun.
What's the meaning of engge?
Enggak is like yes. Yes, very much yes.
Yes, it's true.
Your culture.
Orang tahu.
That's one. Okay, that's one.
Ya,
Orang tahu, orang ngerti.
ngerti. Saya orang
Ngerti.
dah gitu aja.
Wis.